50 useful English phrases for restaurants.
A table for one, please. A table for two, please. Do you have a reservation? I have a reservation. Can we sit outside? Can we sit inside? Can we have a table by the window? May I see the menu, please? Can I see the drink menu? Do you have a kids menu? What do you recommend? What is the special today? What comes with this dish? Is this dish spicy? Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegan options? I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to dairy. Can I get some water, please? Can I have a glass of wine? I would like to order. I'll have the chicken, please. I'll take the burger. I'd like the pasta. Can I get this without onions? Can I get this without cheese? Can I add extra cheese? Can I have it well done? Can I have it medium rare? Can I have it to go? Can we get some bread, please? Can we get some more water? Excuse me, can we get some napkins? Can I get another drink? Everything is great, thank you. The food is delicious. Sorry, this is not what I ordered. This is cold. Can you heat this up, please? Can we get the check, please? Can we have the bill, please? Can we split the bill? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Keep the change. Is service included? How much is it? Thank you very much. The service was excellent. We will come back again.